Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mass Media Net JRF. Today we will discuss another part of previous year's question. Right? In my previous video, you can check there. So many previous year's question we discussed there. Okay. Today we will discuss another part of previous year's question. Right. So first question is the theory of spiral science is mainly related to spiral science किससे related है? Public opinion से related है. But what is this spiral science theory? Spiral science of theory is the study of human communication and public opinion, right? In which the theory said that the people willingness to express, they have, that they have that kind of thing which they can express their opinion on controversial public issue, right? It can be popular one, it can be unpopular one, their perception, right? It's called public opinion. Public opinion always is the temporary one. Always remember. The International Telecommunication Union has headquarters at Geneva. This full form is important. Headquarter name is important. Expression of public opinion in mass media is generally referred as vox populi. Burner is a device to convert digital signal into which one? Answer is here optical laser disc, right? The first color corrected film print returned to the editor from the laboratory for verification is known as answer print. This question asked so many times, literally. The Searchlight was a newspaper published from Bihar, Patna. Actually established here is 1980, 1918. Sorry, 1918. Yeah, 1918. Bi-weekly start हुआ था. And editor was first editor was Murli Manohar Prasad. Sorry, yeah. The first step in exploratory research is to conduct which one? String to case studies, right? Move to the next question. Yeah. What indicate the size of the aperture opening on a camera? Which one? F-stop. The winner of Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the year 2005 is Adur Gopalakrishnan, right? See, you have to know the series of Dada Saheb Phalke's Puraskar till 2020 or 21. Okay? बहुत बार ही पूछा जा सकता है. जाता ही है actually. Which film won the best national film award under commercial categories, okay, for the 2004, which is page 3. Have you heard this Mrinal Sen name? That actress Mrinal Sen is associated with this page 3 film. The newspaper group in India that has obtained a large number of license to the launched film FM radio station is Dainik Bhaskar, obviously. Carl Deutsch is associated with this with the concept of social mobilization. This name is important, right? Social mobilization concept is important. They can ask. Empathy associated with Daniel Lerner. Okay. The development model processed by Nair and White, which is that one is knowledge sharing. Okay. Cultural renewal is promoted by Nair and White in 1994. Remember this. Okay. As an umbrella concept, that is the umbrella concept which frame of the reference for participatory development communication. Development communication we discuss this knowledge sharing, that means participatory reference मतलब frame of participants, right? Participatory way में किसी चीज को आगे बढ़ाना. In communication, dispersal and fragmentation of society is considered a which one? Centrifugal effect. See, it's important. But what is centrifugal effect? Centrifugal effect is this is a version of the tendency for media to have a fragmenting effect on society that can also be liberating. The media spread new idea and information to encourage mobility change and modernization. It's called centrifugal effect, right? The Samachar Darpan was publication. The Samachar Darpan was a publication of which one? First one, Basal Mission, right? Samachar Darpan in 1818, yeah, 1818, as a weekly newspaper by the owner and publisher Baptist Mission Society, right? It's important here, right? Which day celebrate as the Press Freedom Day? See, here we talk about Press Freedom Day, right? So answer is 3rd May. National Public Relation होता है celebrate I think 21st of April. Yeah. The media person who has written book The Iceland of Blood. किसने लिखी The Iceland of Blood? वो लिखी थी अनीता प्रताप ने. Right? The percentage of sale approach to advertising budget is tie budgeting to which one? The last year sales. Right? See, the percentage of sales method is a financial forecasting method, right? That use for business purpose to predict their sales growth on annual basis. It's called the last year sales and percentage of sales approach, right? The reception analysis finding are not easily which one? Not easily what? Replicable, right? See, difficulty of reception analysis, it's a current form is that while is offer a theoretical information, right? Empirical one, examination of communication processes of finding are not easy here, right? Means you have to be analyze the current form, okay, while offer some information, राइट अगर आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोसेस करवानी है, इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर आपको देखनी है तो आपको पहले एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा अपना एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, द फैक्टर एनालिसिस इज अ फैक्टर इज अ which one? Construct is the answer. Okay, factor analysis may be the applied in the consideration of which one? Which both in content also and construct validity also. The country that has a higher density of newspaper readership is Japan. Always remember. The illusion of septal distance in two-dimensional medium is referred as which one? Perspective. Right? Perspective is a answer here. Now move to the next one. According to the British Institute of Public Relations, the 4th stage of public relation campaign is of which one? Media selection. Right? See, here they ask process. Okay. तो आपको एम्फेसाइज क्या करना चाहिए, आपको याद होना चाहिए कि फुल प्रोसेस क्या है. तो फर्स्ट प्रोसेस क्या है? लिसनिंग एंड प्रायोरिटाइजिंग ऑफ मैसेज. प्रायोरिटी करना मैसेज, सबसे पहले लिसन करना उनको और उनको प्रायोरिटी में लाना. ठीक है, वो मैसेज का फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है. दूसरा स्टेप क्या होता है कि पब्लिक परसेप्शन और अवेयरनेस के ऊपर ध्यान देना. ठीक है. थर्ड होता है ड्राइंग ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड प्रायोरिटाइजिंग communication, right? Fourth is the selective media and message, and fifth is implementation, right? Sixth is assessing the impact, and seventh is message redesigning. Okay. Fourth, 24 is a research unit of advertising agency, the Hindustan Thomson Associate is which one? This one, IMRB. Okay. IMRB is a international, is a part of Kantar Group. Kantar Group, yeah. Kantar Group, I'm not wrong. Yeah, Kantar Group. IMRB is a market research survey and a business consultancy firm. Established कब हुई थी? 1970 में established हुई थी. इसका headquarter कहाँ है? मुंबई में. Okay, India with the operation in over 50 countries with this. Okay. Motilal Nehru was associated with which newspaper? The Leader. Always remember. Indian National Congress leader, the Motilal Nehru. Okay, was first chairman of this Leader newspaper. Right? तो आज हम यहाँ तक ही डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन. अगले जो क्वेश्चन है वो अगली वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो जस्ट लेट मी नो कि आपको ये कंटेंट कैसा लगा. हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब करना भी बिल्कुल नहीं भूलेगा. ओके, थैंक यू.